Koenig Bauer is a printing press manufacturer, over 200 years old. And we took the step to go into the cloud. And we are quite happy that we decided for Google Cloud Technology and building together a great project. So our printing presses normally are running at our customers at a very, very high speed, and printing itself is a very complex process. So we gather during that kind of process a lot of data. But we were not able in the past to get out of this data some kind of, let's say, guidelines or KPIs or help in terms of how to improve a process or anything like that. So that's why we decided to put it in the cloud, because we wanted to have real-time data, because it's very fast-running machine, so that is really important to us, as well as go into the cloud structure and then using manufacturing data engine. So we put the data inside of it, the MDE, and then we came up very easily with some AI algorithms and could use that for our own in terms of being more efficient in our own production, as well as using it also for our customers in terms of that we can provide them with dashboards nicely visualized by Looker, also a Google product, so that they can have a real-time look in their production and see, for example, how is the energy efficiency of the machine, or how fast is the machine running, or how much waste do I create during that process? How can I improve my production? And this is how we use that all, let's say, set of technology to really take a big step forward to improve production from our printing presses as well as the production from our customers. So it was really important to have a partner with us who is helping us to set up the infrastructure, but as well to understand our business model and come up with ideas saying, look, this might be the right thing to do for you because that's the easiest way, the fastest way that might fit to your needs. And that went really quite well because Google had all the knowledge about how to setting up the infrastructure, how to giving us support that we move to become a company which is data-driven. And we had all the knowledge about our machines and our production. And that combination in the end, that was the biggest success we could achieve, because otherwise that nice product, which you probably might see behind me, would not be in that fast way here on the booth.